Hey everyone, in today's video I wanted to show you how to use this up-and-coming app called Yolo where you could send anonymous messages on Snapchat. So let's download the app, then I'll show you how to use it, but you do need Snapchat. This is a sticker app for Snapchat. Go ahead and download Yolo. It's only available for iPhone at the time of this recording, so if you have an Android, it's not available just yet, but if you have an iPhone, go ahead and download it. As you can see, it's been the top 1 and 2 app in the recent weeks. Let me go ahead and open Yolo here, and you do have to give it access to your Snapchat and log in with your phone number or Snapchat. I'm going to log in with Snapchat here. It's going to work with Snapchat. And it's going to get access to your Snapchat, your display name, and if you have Bitmoji avatar, it's going to ask for that too. Press continue here. So it's launched Snapchat. Yolo actually launched Snapchat, and now it's going to go back to Yolo. So this is basically all Yolo is here. You have your icon on the top left. You could click that to log out. And you simply could press the middle icon here to get anonymous messages. Let me press this here. You could turn on notification if you like. And here's what we're going to do. In the middle, there's your message. So you could go ahead and get honest messages from other people on Snapchat anonymously. So you won't know who's sending you messages. But these are the options you have. You have the dice, which is going to give you a bunch of random questions to choose from. You have the middle one, which is something to change the color with. So you have a bunch of different options here. And then you have your font and style option there. So there's 3 different options to change the way these read. And if you have Bitmoji, it's going to show up on top. But you could always go ahead and edit this and type in whatever question you want instead of the random ones that the dice is going to give you. So go ahead and type in something else if you want to here. And once you're done, all you will have to do is press share. It's going to open Snapchat where you could take a picture. I'm just going to take a picture of a black spot here. And this is the sticker here. So if I push this anywhere in the page, I could go ahead and share this to my Snapchat here. So I'll just put this right in the middle. And you can't edit this here. This has to be done in Yolo, so you can't edit the text here. But someone could simply swipe up and send you a message. So I'm going to press the blue post icon on the bottom here. And I'm going to choose to post it to my story. You could also send it to different people, but that kind of defeats the purpose of an anonymous message. So you want to do my story, friends only, or my story public. I'll do my friends only here and go ahead and post it. So this is what it looks like. And if someone swipes up, they could message you. And if you swipe up, you could see who viewed it. And you could also press that link to see what it looks like on Yolo, where someone could send you that message. So let me ask someone to send a message to show you what that looks like. So now when people swipe up, it will take him to Yolo. So what they will see is if they swipe up right here, it will take him to Yolo. They don't actually have to have a Yolo account, but they will take him to this page where they could reply to your message. This is my message. So then they'll press send anonymously. They'll get this message where it recommends that they download the Yolo app to do the same thing, but they don't need to do it in order to respond to your Snapchat message. Now to see what people are saying, you'll have to actually go to the Yolo app. So I'm going to launch the Yolo app, and you could see these messages. A couple of people said yo, and someone said this is my message. That was me. That's what I did for the test. And I could click it and I could reply and go back and forth from there. But you could see how these anonymous messages show up here right underneath. And you could always press get anonymous message and then post another message and go through the process again. But you won't get these messages on Snapchat. You'll get them on the Yolo app. I hope you found this quick video useful. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for daily social media videos on this channel, and I'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching.